So I'm sure some of you have wondered, on the M19 gun motor carriage, where do the spent shell casings go? Well, interestingly, there are these chutes, and they run all the way down through the turret. And you might wonder, where do they go from there? Well, there's this large gap all around the turret. And if you look at the front, there's a divot. And here's where the real secret is. When you go and crawl under, here's the usual places to access the engine, but there's a hole. And this hole actually goes all the way up through to that gap in the turret ring. It's all of the spent shell casings. And deep within the rear stowage area, which is also pretty unseen, you can see the canisters for ammunition. And down here, you can see more evidence of the large hole that just runs through the entire thing, which is pretty cool.